everybody, William Miller, National Brand Manager with Cruiser RV. I'm here with Blake Foss. Unfortunately, it's about 2 degrees, but we're standing outside your MPG. What floor plan is this?
This is our 31 BH.
It sleeps up to 12 people, correct?
Yes.
So if we start at the front of the coach, what have you guys done?
So we just kind of did a redesign, made it very simple, made it a clean look. We integrated the lights underneath. Just real simple front cap, didn't do anything crazy, but just made it nice and clear. We added Underbelly Storage. This is now patent pending. This tray pulls out like that, and you can put whatever you want in there.
So even more storage than you're gonna see.
Yep, more storage, and that's what the customers want. With this bigger coach, we're able to have this bigger outdoor kitchen. You're gonna get a bigger fridge, put, you know, drinks, different things like that in there, and then also all this storage here. You have the outdoor sink, and then also the outdoor grill as well with that.
The material of the sidewall changed from Luan to Azdale. What is that?
So Azdale, it's just a composite. It's gonna help with DLAM. It's water resistant, it's lighter in weight. It's just a better overall material to have on your sidewall. What customers love about this bunkhouse is that we have a slide. It's gonna create more space. It's not gonna be as tight as some of our other bunkhouses. You have a bed here, you have a bed below, and then also a bed up here.
You have this beautiful entertainment center with lots of storage. Yep. And also you've got power here, so if they have smartphones, they'll be able to charge via USB. What size reefer is this?
So it's a 10.8 cubic reefer, 12 volt.
Okay, and then this is going to come standard along with the microwave,
yep,
the 3-burner stove, light and color, neutral tones, offset with the wood cabinets, as well as this pressed countertop with no seams and a nice soft beveled edge.
So we have a lot of natural light in the slide out. All the windows do open and close, so we got that airflow coming through. We did change our cushions, so now they're water resistant, and we just made it functional. That way, you know, you can have 4 people sit here and eat, and then also watch TV while you're enjoying a meal.
And this will collapse down to sleeping?
Yes, it will.
Got a nice tri-fold sofa here. When you look at the entertainment center, you've got a built-in sound bar, pass-through HDMI and USB. So if you're outside and you want to listen to music, you simply hook up your smartphone, and it's nice that it's going to play through this integrated sound bar.